tractor back after a long while. I've been snow blowing. I haven't had my hands free, so I didn't get any video, but now I'm just on my way back home. We had some problems with the tractor, some hydraulic issues, but we got them sorted out. Yeah, I'm just on my way home. Not sure you can see that, but there's Tantamar Marsh, the CBC towers, the old CBC towers, and that's just Sackville. Way out there. There's a reflection of me in the blower, but I just thought I'd do a little update on where I'm at with the snow removal and tractor again. But I'm just on my way home. I'm gonna make a spot to park the tractor now. When the tractor was down, it was down all on the weekend. So I had to use a plow to clear the driveway and shit, so. Plow on the Grizzly. There's Sackville, too. There's a little bit more, but I can't really see that. Yep, no, that's all the excitement in this, yeah. Some more video because I got lots of snow blowing left to do, so anyway, that's